So good morning, sir. So I'm going to continue about the Newton's law of motion. So this one is sample number 3. So sample number 1 and sample number 2 I'm done. Then this is sample number 3 in module 2. So about Newton's law of motion. So now I have a problem here. So problem with solution. So a force of 20 Newton is applied on a 10 kg box across a frictionless surface. So the question is, what is the acceleration of the box? So to get the acceleration of the box, so we are going to use this equation. F equals m meaning to say this is the mass or kg, and then a is the acceleration. So find a. So find acceleration. So acceleration is equals to Fm. So force divide mass. So this one, the our force here is 200 newtons. So we write here 200 newtons. Then our mass is 10 kg here, 10 kg. So we are going to divide by 200 newton divided by 10 kg. So we get the value of acceleration. So acceleration is equals 200 meter per second. So this is the value of our acceleration. So the next sample number 4. So our sample number 4 is the problem with solution. So now same problem but different question. So a force of 200 newton is applied on a 10 kg box across a frictionless surface. The question is, if the box accelerates from rest, what will its final speed be after 8 seconds? So what we are going to do here to get the value of acceleration from what will be the final, to get the final speed be after 8 seconds. So we are going to, before we are going to use this equation, so we are going to make a table first. So in the table, the before we make the table, so the acceleration tells you how the speed changes every second. So let us make a table. So in every second that passes, the speed will be increased by 20. So here our table. So v equals to 0 and v is t is 0 and v is 0. Then now first in 1 second we have a 20, and then 2 seconds and 40 increase 40, 3 seconds increase 60, and 4 seconds increase 80, and 5 seconds increase 100, and then 6 seconds increase 120, and 7 seconds increase 140, and 8 seconds increase 160. So now after 8 seconds, the speed of the box will be 160 meter per second. So we have 160 per second. So we are going to use this formula, so to get the number of seconds. So now Vf equals B0 plus A times T. So before we can get this the answer of this, so we are going uh, to take the value of acceleration. So here is the value of our acceleration, 20 meter per second. This one 20, then our t is 8 seconds. So we are going to multiply, so the answer is 160 meter per second. So this is the answer. In sample problem number 4. So now we are going to the sample number 5. So in sample number 5 about Newton's law of motion. So same problem but different question. So problem with solution. So a force of 200 is 200 Newton is applied on a 100 kg 10 kg here 10 kg box across a friction surface. So the question is, how long will it take the box to reach a speed of 500 meters squared if it continues to accelerate at this rate? So we use this equation, Vf equals V0 plus AT. So we write down here our Vf 500, our V is 500 equals 0 plus 20. Our 20, this is our acceleration. So this is the we find this the value of t. So what we are going to do is we multiply, we divide by 20. So we are going to 20 here. So we are going to cancel this one. So we are going to divide 500 divided by 20 equals 25. So our answer is 25 seconds to the box to accelerate from rest to a speed of 500 meters square. So this is our final answer in sample number 5. So that's all, sir.